If you're doing a computer course and you need to do a project, and this is the right place and this is the right video for you. And in this video, let us understand how to make employee transfer and promotion system. So we'll explain the complete idea, like what should be there in this project and how do we do this, so how to do the design, what are the tables are required, and what are the reports you need to generate. All will be explained in this video. So when you're doing project, you need to answer these questions. Why this project? So definitely they'll ask the question why you have selected this project, what is the use of it. So you need to understand what are used, like where we can use, how we can use. So all are very important. So when you're selecting the project. So this particular project basically talking about police transfer and promotion system. So the department required this kind of software to promote the people and to transfer the people. It will help them. And when you talk about the scope, so scope is like where all you can use it actually. So like a department, police department in every country. So therefore every state, every district, every taluk. So therefore number of stations are quite huge when you talk about the globally. So we have the global scope. So if you complete the whole project to the real time, so that you can able to sell this globally. So therefore the scope is really big. So therefore whenever you select a project, you see to it like its usage is be more. But this is not a general purpose project, but it's only department wise. So if you do the project department wise, so it can applicable to that particular department. Later we can make modification and you can see to it, it can be used in almost all the companies and almost all the places that is possible. Now what are the advantage of this project? So this project will solve the problem like to make the promotions, to make the transfers. And also the project which you develop should be user friendly and easy, and because when you select the language like Visual Basic, it provides a feature rich project controls that we can use to make the attractive project and very easy interface. So that's what the thing actually. Depending on the language, you need to prepare the answers for these three questions. Okay, so let's look at the project. So we developed this project presently in Visual Basic. So this is a 2019 edition. It's a community edition, so it's a free edition, right? So now these are the forms which are using in this project. Here are the forms. So these are the options which are provided over here. So there are master entries. One is state name, district names, area names, qualification and destination for the staff members. And then you have station details, then department details, then employee details. And here is important, this is a transfer and then promotion. So when you click promotion, it should take to the promotion form. So the promotion form is here. So this is the promotion form. So how do we do the promotion? So first you need to take the employee code. So once you select the employee code, the name, designation, present station name will appear. Then transfer to which station. So this promotion, what is the next promotion and what is the station name, that is the detail. So this is the basic level project. So we are transferring an employee from one station to other station along with the promotion. This is the promotion. When I talk about transfer, so again we'll take the employee code and then we will transfer to which station, that is the name will come here. We need to transfer here. Alright, so we'll start with welcome screen. There is a flash screen. So this we have picture here. So what is its title is. Then you have a login form. So here you can log in to the project. Fine, let us run this project. So you can see that this is the title. Next we'll have a login form. So admin login is fine. So here you can say admin. Okay. So here are the master entries. First you need to enter the state names. So all the state names. So here one is already entered. And districts comes under this particular state that you have to enter. Because each station belongs to particular district and particular state. Then is the area names, where all the stations are available. That area names you need to give here. Next qualification and details. Okay. So station, so we have already entered 2 stations here. So I can modify this data. So this is about the station detail. Like if you want to know like how to write this page, how to save, how to modify, how to delete and how to do this. So we have separate videos in our channel. So just search for iBlix tutorials in YouTube. Then you go to videos, and before that please subscribe here, click the subscribe button. Then go to videos, and if you scroll down you can see that we have separate videos to how to create MDF parent child forms, then how to make a login form, then how to do the validations. Okay, so all are provided. So if at all if you would like to do it your own, so first you need to do the basics, learn the things, then you have to try the complete project. Then it will be easy for you to write the code for the this complete project. Any of the logic is very simple. When you click new, everything will go off. You need to enter the detail. For example, let me enter one more station name here. So then phone number. Right, so it belongs to Karnataka. So here what are the state names you already enter here, that will come automatically here because we written the code for this. And once you select the state, the corresponding districts under this state will be displayed here. So what is the code here to write? I'll just show you the code for that. So here is the station detail, right? Then if you go to the code window, so here it is. So first we'll display the state names to the Kumba box 2. So this is a statement to select state name from state tab from order by state name. Then when you change the state, you can see that Kumba box 2. So we clear the Kumba box 3. Then we select the district name from the district name tab where state name is equal to Kumba box 2 order by district name. So because you are clear already, so there no data in the Kumba box 3, then this data will be selected and will be transferred to the Kumba box 3. That's how. So we'll add the district names here. Then when you click save button, so you're supposed to have a table for this in the database, and the table design will be, I'll show the table design of this. Okay, so if I go to transfer promotions, and first you need to design all the tables. Here is a station. Okay, so you need to add 2 more columns. So this I'll show you here only. So add connections. So then I'll browse. Then I go to bin folder, then department, police department.mdf. Okay. So this is a server explorer. Here you can link the database. So browse, then bin, debug, police data.mdf, and then OK. So earlier, because the project is running, we couldn't able to connect it here. So now here is the station details, and you can see that totally 6 columns are there. So you have to make station table, and then there are 6 columns here. Therefore, the correspondingly, when you save this data, so this is the station when you enter the data. After that, if you click save, so we want to save the records here. So this is to validate whether you have entered the station name or not. So this is to check whether the station name is already present or not. And then, so this is to insert the data to the table. So next is the department details. So which are the departments in the police department, that you need to enter it here. So next one is the employee details. So here all the staff members you need to enter. So we already entered 2. So likewise you need to enter all the employee details here. So once that is over, then we have to go to promotion and transfer. So let's say you want to transfer an employee from one station to other station. Now you can say that employee 1001 is presently working at Vijayanagar station, that we want to transfer to Rajanagar station. So when I click transfer, the transfer is successful. Then we have a report here. So if you go to transfer detail list, so here you can see that 101 transfer to Vijayanagar, from Vijayanagar to Rajanagar. So it is transferred. So in my promotion, so when you talk about promotions, we can promote them. Okay. So presently you can check present designation is constable. So next designation is head constable. We can promote him as head constable, and then presently he is in Rajanagar station. So we can transfer to Vijayanagar station, or in the same station. Then you can select the Rajanagar station itself. So we can do the promotion and then transfer both here. So now if you go to reports, and here you can see that Constable Rajanagar So this promoted as a head constable to Vijayanagar. Right? It is done. So these are the things which is required to make a small project at entry level. Hope you understand the concept and you can be able to do it now. So please write down all the design and then plan it yourself, like how to do this, and then how to do this project. Fine. So thank you very much. If you have any doubts, please write to us. Let me know what you're thinking. Please write it in the comment box.